Hello, hey everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing SAP tutorials. So in the last session, we have discussed about once again, we have discussed about the CDS view. We have created the first basic CDS view. Okay. So we will create one more CDS view. Let's go into the system and let's create. And we'll go there, go into the Eclipse. Okay. This is what we have created in our last session. Right click, new, other repository object, data definition, Z. We will fetch the we will create a CDS view for sales data. Okay, sales fetch sales, sales details. Click on next. Okay, click on next. It will automatically select this. Click on finish. Okay, it is this very slow. Yeah, guys. So this is created again. We give a the skill view name, give a the CDS SNWD. Okay. So what we will do is we will fetch the data from SNWD SO table, which is our sales order table. Okay. Go there. Click here. So the first question some of you may be thinking about this, how to add all of the fields from this standard table or from any of the table. Just on control space, insert all documents. Okay, so it will select all of these fields from the this table. Okay, from your source table. Save this. Okay, check this and then activate this. Okay, right click, activity run as ABAP application. So you can see it has fetched all the details from our this table. Okay, so this is clear, guys. So this is our first view which we have created. So here, let's create one more view. So we will see how can we create a CDS view by giving their field name as something else. Okay, CDS view is sorry, data definition. Select this, click on next. CDS view with alias name. I will share this code in this. Okay, click on next, click on finish. Okay, so let's give here a ZCDS alias name. Okay, so what I will do is this time we will fetch that data from MAKT. Okay, go there, control space. If you want to insert all the elements, select this. Okay, yeah, select this. So you can say it's taking this key as already. Okay, why it's taking? It is fetching from our this table. Okay, so to give the alias name, one second, I will do this from my end only. Okay, so what you will do first, you will select the material number. Okay, SPRS, MAKTX, MAKTG. Save this, check this, and then activate this. Okay, right click, run as ABAP application. So you can see it is fetching the data. But if you want to change this SPRA, SMAKT, XMAKT, if you want to change the column name, okay, how can we do this? It's very easy here. Just go there, write here as material. Okay, you go there, write here as language. Okay, write here as description. Okay, go there and write it as long description. This is clear, guys. Save this, check this, and then activate this. Okay, right click, run as ABAP application. Nothing, look, long description, language, material. Is this clear, guys? How can you change this? I hope this concept is, you can guys are okay with creating the normal CDS views. Okay, Is this clear, guys? So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Hope this one is clear to everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.